So here's how to make a 3D snowflake. You need 6 pieces of paper, some scissors, and a stapler. So you take the first sheet of paper and you fold it into a triangle and you cut off the extra bit right here. Then you fold the triangle in half just one more time, and on the part with 2 creased edges, you take your scissors and you cut 3 diagonal lines, all kind of different sizes. Unfold it. You've got all these little flaps. You'll need to get some gift wrap tape, and you don't need a lot, just a little bit. And you take these 2 inside little corners, you fold them up like this, and tape them together. Then you'll flip your whole thing over, get another small piece of tape, and do the ones next, and you'll pull them up and tape it together. Then you flip it over again, and you tape the next piece together. And then you flip it over again, and you tape the outside piece together. And then it looks like this. You'll start by stapling 2 pieces together at a time. If you'll notice, one side is bigger than the other side. Try to make it so the bigger sides touch the little sides. It makes it look nicer that way. But you'll take the bottom corner and you'll push them together like this. And you'll take your stapler and staple them together. Then you'll move on to your next 2, also putting the bigger side to the smaller side.